In this video, I am going to discuss about integer data type, which basically is a type of integral type, and it primarily includes int with many other modifiers that are supported by it. Now first, the basic data type is int. Now all integer literals are int by default and they require 4 byte of memory, and therefore most compilers, new compilers, support 4 byte of memory. So you can think 4 byte of memory in modern compilers, and its range is calculated by this formula where x is the value of number of bits supported. So 4 bits are 32. So 32 minus 1 is 31. You put this value minus 2 raised to power 31 to 2 raised to power 31 minus 1. And to get the maximum and minimum value, we can include an int underscore max and int underscore min to support the minimum and to get the minimum and maximum values. But for that, C header file limits.h. Now as you know that it is a C header file, so you have to include with C limits. Okay, so this is in modern C++ compilers in IDE while giving this. And the variable sum is assigned an integer literal, and this is a value of type variable is of type integer. Now the integer data type can be extended and in fact made short with the help of size modifiers. So there are size modifiers short and long, and there are sign modifiers which is unsigned. So generally it is these modifiers are prefixed before int, such that int followed by first is a sign modifier, then is the size modifier, and then is int. So if you are not writing int with the size or sign modifier, it can be still working. So for example, signed short int num1. So num1 is a variable of type this signed short and int. So here again you can see unsigned int. This is number 3. Num3 is a name of the data variable which is of this data type. Modifiers that can be used are short, prefixed with int, and in that case we have 2 bytes of memory if you are declaring a variable to be of short int type, and its range supported by this is because 2 bytes 8 bit 2 into 8 is 16, and minus 2 raised to power 15 to 2 raised to power 15 minus 1. And a variable of short int type can be written as short int or simply short followed by the name of the variable. So as you know, okay, so long modifiers can also be added when they are used for support when integers beyond a range of integer are used. For example, to support if you have to input a variable for distance to the sun or some values to be assigned very large number of characters in a large file, population of a country, Aadhaar card number, all these values have to be stored, then in that case we'll prefer long in type, and 4 bytes normally are used. And another variation nowadays it is available with modern compilers is long data type. So you can see over here long, and in search results in Google is a variable that I can declare. So along with this we have unsigned data type. Now as you know there is sign modifier. The other two were size modifier. Now it is prefixed before int, and it is used when you only want to have non-negative integers like pages in the book, number of players in a team, age of a person. So all these values are always positive. So in that case we always use unsigned int, and it can be prefixed before int, short and long, and even long. And the formula for determining the range of number is 0, which is the minimum number, and maximum is 2 raised to power x minus 1. So in case of unsigned int, it will be 4 bytes. So 4 bytes will turn into 32 bits, 2 raised to power 32 minus 1. And it is usually written as this: unsigned followed by int, number of for pages, unsigned short, or you can simply omit int also, as we have discussed earlier. So these are the various modifiers that we can use. In this program, I have shown you that I have declared an integer literal which is assigned to an integer data type variable w. Now this value will be printed with the simple cout statement, and you can run and check this value. Control S if you save it and run it. So 22 is the literal value, and if you want to size of the check the size of this particular, that is the memory allocated to the integer variable, you can write size of Control S and run this value. So you can see that in case of C++ in this modern compilers, आजकल हमारे पास we get a value of 4. 4 is the value, that is the amount of bytes allocated to this particular integer data type. Similarly, you can come across some modifiers that you can add to this int data type. Now there are some short is a modifier that can be added. Now if this modifier is added, it is used to store a specific range of numbers. Now before that, we can also just check for the range of numbers that are supported by this. So to get the maximum value, we can write underscore max include C limits okay. Now I save it and run it. You can see this is the maximum value that is supported, and to get the minimum value, save it and run it. So you can see the maximum and minimum value. Similarly, you can add here short. Now this is a modifier that you can add to the integer data type, and this data type now becomes shortened, and after adding this it can support little smaller numbers, so we can check what will be the value and size of, and for short we write s short shrt shrt hrt. So if you save it and run this code, you can find that if you prefix short modifier, you get the range of 32767 to -32768. Similarly, you can prefix long with it. Long is used to support larger numbers, integer numbers, and for that again I will write the prefix long and long. I save it and I again run it. So I can come across that this integer will take 4 bytes, unlike the short which took 2 bytes, and integer also now takes 4 bytes. So this is the maximum and minimum value supported. Now we have long also. Okay, I have to write in uppercase, lowercase. That is for short. The keywords are always written like this, and I suppose this is the how you calculate the maximum and minimum value. So this is a very large number because it supports 8 bytes, and this can be there. So you have to ensure that you have to add this C limits file before using all these macros of this particular thing. So next is that in addition to, we can also have unsigned. Now unsigned is having the different range. I will check it. What will be the range if we are supporting unsigned as the value? And for unsigned, we have u to prefix with this. So for integer, we will write uint. Let's write because minimum value is 0. So we have only max here. We don't have min over here. That is to be remembered. Minimum value of this is 0. So if I save it and run it, you will get the value. The minimum and the maximum value is, minimum value is of this 0 and maximum value is this. Now this way these modifiers can be used with int. You can int also make unsigned, long int, short int, everything can be there. So if you want to get long, so this is there, and if you run it, it will give you the value of the, because it has same support for 4 bytes. So that case it will be now in case of unsigned long. If you remember, the range of Signed, so it is a very big number, that is the range of numbers which is supported by this for unsigned long. And you can similarly check for other, and if similarly for long, sorry, it was long what I have written, so it was for unsigned long, and it is 8 bytes, so the range is maximum this number. So thus you can come across the various ranges and modifiers that are supported in this. Thank you.